How to transfer Ethereum from bitget to bybit. Now, first of all, you need to be able to open, or you need to make sure that you are logged into your bitget account. Now, after that, tap on assets. And now from the top bar, select spot and tap on withdraw. And now after that, if you don't find the Ethereum here, just tap on search and type on it, or type for it. And after that, I will select it from here, Ethereum. And now tap on on-chain withdrawal. Now after that, as you can see, the coin is Ethereum and the network should be Ethereum too. Now how to be able to get the withdrawal address? Now go to Bybit app. Now after you open the Bybit app, you need to get the withdrawal address. Now tap on it. And after that, tap on deposit. And now tap on deposit crypto. Now from here, search for Ethereum. And after you find this here, tap on it. And now, as you can see, select the network. It should be the same that you selected on bitget. Now tap or select the Ethereum, as you can see. And now tap on copy the address. After that, go back to bitget and I will expand this window. Now in the withdrawal address, I will paste the withdrawal address. And as you can see, so after that, enter how much you will send. And you see, this is the fee that you will pay. And this is the amount that you will receive. Now, after you are ready to go, tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction, and you will be able to transfer Ethereum from bitget to bybit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.